Did you know that Australia once waged war on birds? In 1932, the country faced an unexpected adversary, emus. After World War I, Australian farmers struggled with an emu infestation that decimated crops. The government responded by deploying soldiers armed with machine guns in what became known as the Great Emu War. Despite their best efforts, the emus proved surprisingly resilient. The birds often outran the soldiers and scattered, making them difficult targets. After several failed attempts and thousands of bullets, the military withdrew. The emus had won. This bizarre conflict highlighted the challenges of managing wildlife with military solutions.